Yo, what's up, guys? You're welcome back to the Rich Face Academy. Okay, today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to grow $60 to um $5,000. All right. So, guys, my first setup is here on ZAR USD. Okay, so guys, this is ZAR USD on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so this is ZAR USD on the 4 hours time frame, and it's currently at its demand area right now. Okay, so guys, this demand area we are having a rejection here on the 15 minutes time frame, guys. So look at the rejection. So let's make some entries. Okay, so let's make more entries, guys. Okay, so let's expect it to move up to this area here. Okay, so let's expect it to go up to that area. So guys, let's see how the market is gonna move, guys. Let's see.
A few minutes later.
So guys, here is Mazar USD trade now running over $1,000 profit. Okay, so see the way the market just spiked up, guys. So see the way the market spiked up, and then our trade is running $1,230 profit. So what we are going to do, let's close all our positions, guys. $1,300. But I'm going to be closing all my position at the moment. Okay, so guys, our $60 is now 1,294.12 US dollars right now. So let's look for another position and then let's flip this account again one more time. All right, so let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, so the broker which I'm using is Xness and the leverage which I'm using is unlimited leverage. All right, so I'm gonna be pinning the link on the comment section. So check on the comment section. I'll put the link there and I'll pin it. And then on the video description, I'm gonna be putting the link on the video description. You can follow the link to register, so that you can enjoy the high leverage. All right, so that you can flip your own account also. So guys, let's go look for another trade and then let's flip the account, guys. Let's flip the account. So guys, I have a new setup here on Euro USD again. Okay, so guys, Euro USD here, we can see a double bottom here, and then from there it started going up and then broke this previous high. All right, and then it's here to retest again. So this is the best time for us to enter our buys if we missed this first buy setup. All right, so let's start stacking up some buys now. Okay, so let's enter more buys and then let's place some buy limit orders at the main retest zone here. All right, so guys, we have entered our buys and our buy limit orders. Okay, so guys, let's watch out and let's see how this market is really going to behave, guys. Let's watch out. Okay, let's see how this market is going to move.
A few moments later.
Yo, what's up, guys? So here is our Euro USD trade running over $4,000 in profit. So let's see what happened, guys. So our sell limit orders got triggered, and then immediately the market started skyrocketing from there. All right, so and it is here right now, running over $4,000 profit right now. Okay, so guys, I'm satisfied with this profit. Let's close all this position. Close all. All right, so I've closed it with 5,079.12 USD right now. Okay, so our $60 is now 5,079.12 USD right now, with just two trades, guys. With just two trades, and Euro USD is still going up. All right, so guys, that is how we do it. It is so easy, very very easy, and very very fast. All you need is the skill. Okay, so out of this money, I started with $60, and with just to trade, I've taken this money to $5,079.12. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway of $500. Okay, so to win the giveaway, I'm gonna be giving the procedure on my Telegram channel. So to join my Telegram channel, check on this video description so that you can join my Telegram channel and participate on this giveaway, guys. Okay, so that is how we do it. We do this every time. It is not a luck. The skill is all what you need, guys. The skill is what you need. Make sure to smash like button, comment. Thanks.